Confusing interfaces are everywhere. A bad design make a simple task like using a new thermostat or an industrial panel feels impossible. Why do we need a manual just to turn on the heater? So for that we are introducing Operate, the multi-modal visual action agent. It essentially a universal remote for reality. You don't need to know how the machine works. You just point your camera, speak your intent, and let the AI do the rest. So, powered by a Gemini's native multimodality, Operate doesn't just read the text. It uses advanced reasoning to find and analyze the topology of the device, map your request to a specific physical coordinate. We are bridging the gap between the human intent and the physical actions. Make the world accessible and instantly learnable for everyone. We are building an interface for every interface. So let's jump into the demo.
How do I turn on this Bluetooth speaker and how can I connect this to my mobile